Look at these faces. They look real. They talk. They even post. And they are currently taking over the social media. But here is the secret, none of these people actually exist. And even crazier, they are making more money than most 9 to 5 professionals. So if you thought you missed the boat on Bitcoin or NFTs, pay attention because 2026 is officially the era of an AI influencer, and in this video I am about to show you how to build your own empire from scratch. And in this video I am pulling back the curtains on Higgsfield AI. I am going to show you exactly how to build a fully original consistent AI persona with over 90 custom parameters. We are talking about skin tone, body type and unique identity in just few minutes. But I am not just showing you how to make a cool art, I am showing you the money. Yes, you heard it right. Higgsfield just launched Higgsfield Earn, the first ever platform that pays you actual cash to upload your AI content to Instagram and another social media. Build your persona, bring it to life, and get paid. This is the simplest way to start earning in 2026. So, without wasting your time, let's deep dive into the tutorial. So finally, this is our exact website. The link you will get in the description, and you can find this free option here of AI Influencer Studio, and you get plenty of the AI generated influencers ready made. So what you have to do is you can just see that builder option, and even you get the prompt option. So you can explore it accordingly. Now I'm going with this builder wala stuff. Let's see what we can get here. So I have selected the human, I have selected the gender, and now I am selecting the ethnicity. You can even make your AI influencer the combination of various ethnicities, like I'm selecting a Asian and European. Now let's select the skin color accordingly. Yeah, like you get plenty of the options here to explore and to just give life to your creativity. The more unique your AI influencer will be, the more chances it will have to go viral in less amount of time. Now you can also select the body features and the skin tones, and each and everything you can just customize from here. This is something so mind blowing. Like even your left leg, your right leg, even if you have to make this AI influencer robotic or look totally out of the box, you can say, and even you can modify its style too. So let's click on the style and select any of the feature you wanna. So I'm selecting like anything accordingly because I want to see what creation it can give us in the outcome, and I'm literally surprised to see what will I get. So you can even select the eyes, even you can modify your mouth, ears and face skin material too. Like plenty of the options are there, plenty of the features are there which you can try on your own and create something ultra high unique. So even though if you're trying to create something out of the box, this Higgsfield option is perfect for you. So make sure you are trying it. And now I have already kept this on generation, and I am excited to see how our influencer will look like. So it is in queue and it will take few minutes for the generation. So till that time you can chill up and relax because the outcome is gonna surprise you as well as me. And just look at this. No one will say that she is an AI influencer. She is legit looking like a realistic one. And I am literally surprised. Just look at the outcome. No one will say that she is an AI influencer. Now I'll do some small tweaks. Now I have changed the skin pattern, and let's see how this AI will generate it, because changing the skin pattern is like something a tough task for an AI. Now let's focus on the outcome that will get. So finally, here is the another outcome which we have generated, and just look at the skin type. It is absolutely amazing. Each and everything is so realistically created that no one will ever say that this is an AI generated influencer, and this is what makes this Higgsfield so unique. So now it's time to just add life to this AI influencer, and just click on this option and you get plenty of the templates here by which you can create the reels on the go. Now what I'll do is, as you can see, each and every viral dance till now on the Instagram or any of the social media platform, you can see it all here. So what I'll do is I'll just select any of the random template which I wanna, and let's see what the outcome will be. So basically this is the process of turning our image into the realistic video reel which is ready to go viral based on your AI influencers looks and her uniqueness. And there are plenty of options and you can even explore it one by one. So let me go with this. I'll just click on this. So as you can see, you can just change the quality from here. And finally I am clicking on generate. Now let's wait for the outcome. Again, it will take few minutes, and let it take its minutes because you can see finally the output is ready. And legit, I am literally shocked because no one will say that this is an AI influencer. It's so realistic. So, well, in this way, you can generate your own AI influencer too. And now, let me reveal how you can earn with this. So, basically, you will get another link in the description. So, just go on that link and you will see this platform called Higgsfield Earn. Until now, creators had earned this much amount from this. And the steps are easy. Just log in with your any of the social media account and verify the ownership accordingly. You will see on the platform on the screen the steps, and then simply after verifying, just create and post your content and simplify the link in your dashboard by which the tracking will begin, and then you will simply get your money. This is the so easiest process. So just click on the link in the description, and in this way plenty of the creators have earned plenty amount of money till now, as you can see. And you can also get the various creator campaigns too on the same link, same dashboard, you can say. And these were the viral reels by which creators have earned most amount of money just by creating the AI influences like this. And this is all for this.